Hey guys, today I'm going to just quickly show you how to make this sort of text cutout from an image. It's pretty basic, you just need a keyboard and a mouse. You don't need any fancy drawing tablet stuff. It'll just help you put a nice edge on your designs when you're uploading them to Redbubble and things like that. So just start out in Photoshop. You need an image that you've saved from online. We'll use this one. Just drag and drop it in. Okay, right, you'll see that the background, it's got this little lock on it. That means that you can't really edit it. When you're uploading designs, obviously there need to be invisible backgrounds, and you can't get that right now with it being locked. Try the white one. Yeah, so it just turns white. It doesn't turn transparent. We haven't got those little squares. We'll just select an area, try and delete it, and that won't work either. Yeah, there. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to duplicate this layer so that we have an editable one. We'll get rid of that background. There we go. So yeah, so it's transparent. Okay, so we need some text. Let's hydrate or hydrate or dehydrate. Hydrate or dehydrate. Cool. We'll make this a little bit smaller. And we'll make this. Oh, make that big again. I just want to make some space on that space out from the R. There we go. Okay, cool. Cool. We'll hide that. Right. Okay, so you can drag this around. I'll show you how to. Right, so you're going to select the background, everything except the text. This little box here, contiguous. If you've got contiguous on, it'll select just the outside of the text, so it'll skip these little bits inside. So we want to turn contiguous off. Yeah. So that selects everything except the text. Cool. Okay, we need to make a new layer. There we go. I'm going to fill this layer with a color. We'll use white. Okay. So everything except the text is white. So we'll hide the text layer. There we go. Okay, and now we can drag this little fill around, and we can position it where it looks nice. Yeah, cool. Okay, now if we hold in Control, we can click the background layer as well, and it will select both layers, so that way we can drag them both around. It sort of pins them together. So we'll drag that back to fill the screen. There we go. Right, now we want to select the layer 1. And we're gonna, So we'll use the magic wand tool to select all of the white again. Then we can hide this layer 1, get rid of the white fill. There we go. So you'll see that it's still selected, everything except the text is selected. So we'll click the background layer, click delete. There we go. Done. Okay, so remember, you might want to crop this actually. We'll crop that, and that'll help when we're uploading it to Redbubble, so it'll help on like mug designs and things like that. There. Okay, so when you're saving it, remember that it's got a transparent background. We'll save it as a PNG. We'll save it as hydrate. There, done. That was quick. So that's just it to help you guys put finishing touches on your text so you don't have just standard text on your designs. Okay, thanks guys, bye.